Let me walk you through the process on how to withdraw money from Robinhood. If you made some profit on your Robinhood account and you're now trying to withdraw it onto your bank account, in this video let me show you the step-by-step process. Now, in order for you to withdraw the money, you will need to head over to the person icon, which is on the bottom right of the screen. Once you're inside of this page, you'll need to head over to the three lines that is on the top left. From this menu that is visible, you'll be able to see the section called transfers. It says deposit, withdrawals, brokerage accounts and transfers. Just tap on this option, and then under transfers, tap on the transfer money option. Deposit money to your bank account or withdraw to your bank, so just tap on this first option. Now here you'll be taken to this page where you'll need to type in the amount that you're trying to transfer into your bank account. Make sure that on the to section your bank account is selected, and on the from section the individual account of Robinhood is selected. So select the bank accounts that you want to transfer to and then type in the amount that you want to transfer. Now there are two options that you can select in order to transfer the funds. Either you can choose the 4 to 5 business days option, which is going to be free, or if you want the funds to your bank account instantly, you can choose the instant transfer option. But for the instant transfer, you're going to get a fee. The fee will depend upon the amount that you're trying to transfer. So if you can wait out 3 to 5 business days, you can just select the first option. If you can't, and if you want the funds instantly, just select the instant transfers option and then tap on transfer on the bottom. Depending upon which option you choose, the money will be withdrawn from your Robinhood directly to your bank accounts. That's all there is for this video. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.